everybody, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by the kitchen. We are going to make an absolutely fabulous dessert today. It is one of our family favorites, and I thought it was about time I shared it with you. It's a Nutella pie. Do you like Nutella? If you do, let me know in the comments. This is so easy to make, folks. No baking required. No cooking required. You'll love it. Okay, I have a graham cracker pie shell. I prefer to use the 10-inch, the deep dish, because that way I don't have to worry about it being piled up and overflowing. Okay, just loosen that up, take it out. Okay, I will give you the amounts of the ingredients and everything, of course, in the description box. I have some of the Nutella out of the jar that I put in a glass container and I heat it in the microwave, so it's going to spread really easy. Okay, that, in all honesty, is the only cooking, if you call that cooking, involved in this. Okay, I think anybody can melt something in the microwave. So even you folks who say, I can't cook, you can do this. Okay, we're going to spread this around and give everything a nice coating. Now folks, let me tell you something. I am a home chef, if you call it that. I cook at home. I'm certainly not a chef. I just do what tastes good and what my family likes. Okay. So I've got that all around the edges. Okay. I think that's about all I can get out of that. Okay. Now we're going to set this aside for a minute. And we're going to get on with the filling that goes in here. Okay. I have cream cheese, and this is softened to room temperature, folks. It doesn't matter what brand of any of these ingredients you use, as long as you like it and it tastes good, that's all that matters. Okay. I have more Nutella. Now, folks, I buy Nutella in the big jar. But if you buy the 13-ounce jar, that is perfect for using this without any leftovers. We like leftovers. Okay. I'm going to put the rest of the Nutella in with our cream cheese. Are you with me so far? Do you think you can do this? I think you can. I think my 8-year-old could do this. Okay. Now, we're just going to hand mixer. Folks, you can mix this with your hands if you wanted to. It just takes a little longer. That is pretty well mixed. Now we're going to add the last ingredient, guys. Cool Whip. Or frozen whipped topping. Whichever you call it. I don't care what brand it is. I call it Cool Whip. And I'm sure you guys, a lot of you do. Some of you may be more politically correct than me. is you put the whole container of that whipped topping or Cool Whip in here. And folks, that's in real time. Now don't tell me that is too difficult for you folks to make. Okay. We bring our pie shell back over here. And we're simply going to dump the filling in the shell. Folks, I'm going to have to turn this around toward myself. I can't do anything backwards. I apologize for that, but it's just the way it is. And folks, again, this is real time. And just spread it out. And folks, how many people grew up licking the bowls of something whenever they were little? I know I did, and I'll admit I saved a little bit for myself, but we won't tell the kids. Anyway, I'm just going to put a lid on this. The plastic lid, and I'm going to set it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours and let everything firm up. And folks, that is a Nutella pie. Fast, easy, no cooking, no baking required. Anybody can do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on that next video.